In this video, you will learn about 4 rules followed for the subject-verb agreement. This video is a part of verbs. A single subject uses a verb in its singular form. For example, she is coming to the store, or Arya is coming to the store. If there is more than one subject, use the verb in its plural form. For example, they are coming to the store, or the managers are coming to the store. Let us look at another example. Jay bakes a cake every morning, or he bakes a cake every morning. Remember, the singular form of the verb ends with S. Saying Jay bake a cake every morning or he bake a cake every morning is incorrect. For plural subjects such as Jay and Arya or we, use the verb in its plural form. For example, Jay and Arya bake a cake every morning, or we bake a cake every morning. Remember, only the singular form of a verb ends with S. The plural form of a verb does not end with S. Saying Jay and Arya bakes a cake every morning or we bakes a cake every morning is incorrect. When 2 or more subjects are connected with and, use the verb in its plural form. For example, the manager and supervisor are coming to the store. Or, Jay and Arya bake a cake every morning. Using and means there is more than one person in the activity involved. When 2 or more subjects are connected with or, use the verb in its singular form. For example, the manager or the supervisor is coming to the store. Or, Jay or Arya bakes a cake every morning. Using or means that only one subject is involved in the activity. Now you know how to apply the subject-verb agreement in different situations.